Cancer, my beautiful souls. 73% of relationships are ending right now, but yours is about to become bulletproof, and I am getting chills just looking at these cards for you. Everyone thinks diplomacy means being weak or giving in, but oh my God, Cancer. What I am seeing here is that your diplomatic skills are literally the superpower that is going to transform your entire marriage in ways you cannot even imagine. The universe is literally downloading relationship codes into you right now, and your partner has no idea what is coming. I just pulled the first card and I am shook because this is not what anyone would expect for marriage energy, but the spirits are being so specific with your message, Cancer. The Ten of Swords just flew out of my deck, and before you panic, let me tell you exactly why this is incredible news for your relationship. The Ten of Swords is telling me that all the old patterns of fighting, all the toxic cycles, all the ways you and your partner used to hurt each other, they are ending. They are done, finished, over. The Ten of Swords represents the death of old relationship dynamics and Cancer. This is happening right now in your marriage. I am seeing that in the next 2 to 3 weeks, there is going to be one final blow-up, one last big argument or misunderstanding, and then silence. Beautiful, healing silence. But here is where your diplomatic skills come in, Cancer. Instead of meeting fire with fire like you used to, instead of escalating the drama like the old version of you would have done, you are going to choose a completely different path. You are going to choose wisdom. You are going to choose diplomacy. You are going to choose love over being right. The Ten of Swords is showing me that you have been stabbed in the back so many times in this relationship. You have felt betrayed and hurt, and like you are the only one fighting for this marriage. But Cancer, all of that pain has been preparing you for this moment. All of that struggle has been teaching you how to be the diplomat your marriage needs. I am seeing you in 3 weeks from now having the most mature, the most loving, the most diplomatic conversation with your partner, and they are going to look at you like they are seeing you for the first time. They are going to say something like, Cancer, where did this wisdom come from? How did you become so good at handling conflict? The Ten of Swords is also telling me that your partner is going through their own death and rebirth cycle right now. They are releasing old wounds, old fears, old patterns that have been sabotaging your relationship. But they do not have your diplomatic skills, Cancer. They do not have your natural ability to see all sides of a situation. They are going to need you to guide them through this transformation. Oh my God, Cancer, the second card just jumped out, and this is wild. The Empress is here, and she is glowing with this incredible, nurturing, diplomatic energy that is going to save your marriage. The Empress is the ultimate diplomat because she creates harmony through love, through understanding, through seeing the beauty in every situation, even when it looks like chaos. The Empress is telling me that you are stepping into your full feminine power right now, Cancer. And this does not mean being passive or submissive. Oh, no, no, no. This means being so powerful in your love, so strategic in your kindness, so diplomatic in your approach that you can literally transform any conflict into connection. I am seeing you using your Empress energy in the next 4 to 6 weeks to completely revolutionize how you and your partner communicate. Instead of attacking when they hurt you, you are going to ask questions. Instead of defending when they blame you, you are going to listen. Instead of withdrawing when they get angry, you are going to stay present and calm. The Empress is showing me that you are about to become the emotional leader in your relationship, Cancer. Your partner is going to start coming to you for advice, for comfort, for guidance, because they are going to recognize that you have this incredible gift for making everything feel safe and peaceful. But here is the most beautiful part. Cancer. The Empress is telling me that as you step into this diplomatic role in your marriage, you are not losing yourself or becoming a doormat. You are actually becoming more yourself. You are becoming the wise, loving, powerful woman You were always meant to be. I am getting this vision of you and your partner 2 months from now, and you are sitting together talking about something that would have caused World War III 6 months ago. But now you are both calm, you are both listening, you are both finding solutions together because you taught them how to do this, Cancer. Your diplomatic skills created this new reality. The third card is making me literally gasp right now. The King of Cups just appeared, and this is your future husband energy, Cancer. This is what your partner is becoming because of your diplomatic influence. The King of Cups is the master of emotional intelligence, the king of healthy communication, the ruler of balanced relationships. Your diplomatic skills are not just saving your marriage, Cancer, they are transforming your partner into the man you have always dreamed of. I am seeing that within the next 60 to 90 days, your partner is going to have this massive emotional breakthrough where they finally understand how to love you the way you need to be loved. The King of Cups is telling me that your partner has been struggling with emotional immaturity, with anger issues, with communication problems, but watching you handle conflict with such grace and diplomacy is going to inspire them to level up in ways that will shock you. I am seeing your partner in about 2 months apologizing to you in the most beautiful way, Cancer. They are going to say something like, "I never realized how patient you were with me, how diplomatic you were even when I was being difficult, how much you sacrificed to keep our relationship peaceful. I want to be that person for you too." The King of Cups is showing me that your partner is going to start mirroring your diplomatic energy. They are going to start asking themselves, what would Cancer do in this situation? How would Cancer handle this problem? What would the most loving response be? This is creating a complete transformation in your marriage, Cancer. Instead of two people triggering each other and escalating conflicts, you are going to have two emotionally mature adults who know how to navigate challenges together as a team. But the King of Cups has an even deeper message for you, Cancer. He is telling me that your diplomatic skills are actually healing generational patterns in your family line. Your children, if you have them, are going to grow up seeing a completely different model of how relationships work. They are going to see conflict resolution instead of conflict escalation. They are going to see love winning over ego. Oh, Cancer. I am getting chills because the fourth card just revealed itself, and this is incredible. The Two of Cups appeared, but it is glowing with this rainbow light, and I know exactly what this means for your marriage. The Two of Cups is the ultimate love card, but this is not the honeymoon phase. Love, Cancer. This is mature love. This is diplomatic love. This is the kind of love that survives anything because it is built on mutual respect and understanding. The Two of Cups is telling me that in 4 to 6 weeks, you and your partner are going to have this moment. Maybe you are sitting together after resolving a conflict using your new diplomatic approach. Maybe you just finished a really deep conversation where you both felt heard and understood. And you are going to look at each other and realize this is what love is supposed to feel like. I am seeing that your diplomatic skills are creating safety in your relationship, Cancer. Your partner is going to start sharing things with you they have never shared with anyone because they know you will not judge them, you will not attack them, you will listen with love and respond with wisdom. The Two of Cups is showing me that your marriage is about to enter this incredible phase where you are not just lovers, you are not just partners, you are best friends who can talk about anything, who can work through anything, who choose each other every single day. Your diplomatic approach is teaching your partner that vulnerability is safe with you, Cancer. They are going to start opening up about their fears, their insecurities, their dreams in ways they never have before, because they trust your ability to hold space for them with love and understanding. I am getting this beautiful vision of you two 6 months from now, and people who know you are going to be asking, what happened? How did your relationship become so strong? What is your secret? And the secret, Cancer, is going to be your diplomatic skills combined with your partner's willingness to grow and change. The comments are already going crazy, Cancer. You all are feeling this energy shift happening in your own relationships. The fifth card is here, and oh my God, Cancer, this is the key to everything. Justice appeared, and she is holding these golden scales that are perfectly balanced, and I know why she is here for your message. Justice is telling me that your diplomatic skills are bringing balance back to your marriage, Cancer. For too long, one person has been giving more, one person has been compromising more, one person has been fighting harder to make this relationship work, but justice says those days are over. Your diplomatic approach is not about you doing all the work to keep the peace, Cancer. Oh no. Justice is showing me that as you model healthy communication and conflict resolution, your partner is going to start meeting you halfway. They are going to start putting in equal effort to make this marriage work. I am seeing that within the next 30 days, there is going to be this pivotal moment where your partner realizes they need to step up their game. They are going to see how mature and wise you have become in handling relationship challenges, and they are going to feel inspired to match your energy. Justice is also telling me something very specific about fairness in your relationship, Cancer. I am seeing that you have been the peacekeeper for so long that you forgot you deserve to have your needs met too. But your new diplomatic skills include advocating for yourself in healthy ways. Instead of silently resenting when things are unfair, you are going to learn how to address imbalances with love and clarity. Instead of exploding when you feel taken advantage of, you are going to calmly express your needs and work together to find solutions. Justice is showing me a conversation happening in about 3 weeks, Cancer, where you are going to say something like, I love you and I want our marriage to work, but I need us to find a better balance in how we handle responsibilities, how we handle conflicts, how we support each other. And your partner is going to hear you because of how diplomatically you express this need. The scales of justice are telling me that perfect balance is coming to your marriage, Cancer, but it starts with you balancing your own energy first. Balancing your need to keep the peace with your need to be heard. Balancing your desire to help your partner grow with your need to take care of yourself. Members have been messaging me nonstop about this exact justice energy showing up in their marriages. They are seeing the same diplomatic transformation happening. The sixth and final card is here, Cancer. And I am literally getting goosebumps because this is your destiny card. The sun just blazed onto my table, and this card is radiating so much joy and success energy for your marriage. The sun is telling me that all of your diplomatic efforts, all of your patience, all of your wisdom in handling relationship challenges is about to pay off in the most beautiful way. I am seeing your marriage in 6 months, and it is like you are living in permanent sunshine, Cancer. The sun represents the victory of love over conflict, the triumph of understanding over miscommunication, the success of diplomacy over drama. Your marriage is about to become the example that other couples look at and say, we want what they have. I am seeing you and your partner 6 to 8 months from now, and you are laughing together, you are supporting each other through challenges, you are celebrating each other's victories, and people are going to ask you how you have such a strong marriage, and you are going to say it all started when I learned to be diplomatic instead of defensive. The sun is showing me that your relationship is going to become a source of light for other couples, Cancer. Your friends are going to start asking you for relationship advice because they see how well your diplomatic approach works. Your family members are going to be inspired by the peace and harmony in your home. But the most beautiful message from the sun is that your diplomatic skills are not just saving your marriage, Cancer, they are creating the marriage of your dreams. I am seeing passion returning, romance blooming again, deep emotional intimacy growing stronger every day because when two people feel safe with each other, when they trust that conflicts will be handled with love and respect, everything else flourishes. The sun is promising me that by the end of this year, your marriage is going to be unrecognizable from where it was 6 months ago. You are going to wake up grateful for your partner, excited about your future together, proud of how far you have both come. Cancer, I am seeing children in your future if you want them, or if you already have children, I am seeing them growing up in this beautiful, peaceful home where they learn that love wins, that problems can be solved, that two people can disagree and still choose each other. The sun is telling me that your diplomatic skills are literally healing your marriage from the inside out and creating a foundation that will last for decades. This is not a temporary fix, Cancer. This is a complete transformation that gets stronger and more beautiful every year. Oh my God, Cancer, the energy in these cards is just incredible. Your diplomatic skills are not just saving your marriage, they are elevating it to a level of love and partnership that most people only dream about. The universe is so proud of your growth, so excited about your future, so ready to bless this marriage in ways that are going to blow your mind. Your partner has no idea how lucky they are to have someone with your wisdom and diplomatic gifts. I am seeing so much joy in your future, Cancer, so much laughter, so much love, so much partnership and teamwork, and beautiful memories being created. Your marriage is about to become your greatest success story. If you are feeling this energy, Cancer, drop a sunshine emoji in the comments right now, because the Sun card wants to amplify this blessing for everyone who is ready to embrace diplomatic love in their relationships. The comments are absolutely exploding with sunshine emojis, Cancer. The universe is confirming this message for so many of you. Your future is so bright, Cancer, and it all starts with your incredible diplomatic skills transforming your marriage from the inside out. Trust the process. Trust your wisdom. Trust that love always wins when we approach it with the right energy. Subscribe now, Cancer, because your future depends on staying connected to these cosmic messages. Your marriage needs you to stay aligned with this energy, and I will be here every step of the way to guide you through this incredible transformation. If you want to dive even deeper into this diplomatic energy, you know where to find me. But for now, just trust that everything is unfolding perfectly for your highest good and your marriage's greatest success.